Hello, I am Adebayo. In this short video, I will be taking us through the process of opening trade positions in the Forex market using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Please note that for you to log in into a live Forex trading session, you need to have an account open with a broker. This could be a real account or a demo account. In today's video, we have 5 basic things to learn. 1. To search and connect to a broker. 2. To open an instant execution trade. 3. To open a buy limit trade. 4. To open a sell limit trade. And 5. To adjust a stop loss on an already running trade. For the purpose of this video, I've opened a demo account with XNext broker. Now, I have MetaTrader 5 version installed on this device. Now I want to search and connect to my broker, which is XNext. I will come to the top right corner of my screen and click on the plus sign, and this window pops up. So I get to find broker and I type XNext. So from the list, I will select the brand of XNext that is associated to my account. This is the window that comes in after clicking on that. Then I will input my login ID. Then I will type in my password. Then I will ensure that I'm selecting the right server to which my account was assigned to. And my server is xnest-mt539. Make sure that when you are opening an account, you get your login details right, without which you will not be able to log in, right? So I'll click on login after providing these details. And here I'm live logged into a Forex session, right? So at this stage, I want to open a buy instant execution trade. A buy instant execution trade, right? That's what the signal says. So I'll come to quotes at the bottom left of my screen. I'll click on quotes. Then I will look through the list of instruments I have here. Yes, I have BTC USD. That's what my signal says I should make use of. But in a situation whereby you come here on the list of instruments and you cannot find the particular instrument that the signal says you should open a trade on, you get to the plus sign at the top, click on it, and then you find symbols, right? So for instance, if I was looking for GBP JPY, yes, if that's what I was looking for, I'll come here, click, and then I'll select and go back to check on my list. Yes, right there, it has been added. So that's the way you can add instruments that you cannot find in the list of codes, right? So, but the signal says I should open an instant trade on BTC USD. So I'm going back to BTC USD and click on it, and I'll select new order, right? Yes. So this window opens and I get to market execution. Now, I want you to understand that when you're using MetaTrader 5, it tells you market execution, and if it is MetaTrader 4, it tells you instant execution. Both terminologies mean the same thing, right? So don't get it confused. So I select market execution, then I will specify my lot size. Now, in specifying your lot size, it is very important to consider your account capacity. That's how much money you have in your account. Your account size should be commensurate to the lot size you're specifying. You can't have an account that is small and you're specifying a big lot size. You're taking a very big risk. It will blow up your accounts, right? So you're selecting, you're specifying your lot size. Make sure that it is commensurate to your account size, right? So in this case, I have over $1,000 in this demo account, so I can afford to open a 0.13 lot size. So I'll come specify my stop loss, which the signal specifies should use. Now my stop loss in the signal says I should use 66 420, right? That's what the stop loss is quoted, right? Then I will come to take profit. My take profit in the signal says 67,980. Yes, that's what the signal says. So I will now open this trade. 67. Yes, that's it. Right. Yeah, okay, that's right. Mm, all right, yeah. So I now open this trade, right? And that's done. Okay, yep, that trade is open. And next on the list is to open a buy limit trade. So I come back to quotes, and then I might click on BTC USD, and I choose new order, right? This time around, I am not selecting market execution because it's a buy limit, it's a pending order. Yes, a buy limit or a sell limit are pending orders. So I get to buy limit, I select buy limit, right? So in a pending order, you specify the price at which you want your trade to trigger, right? When you want to open a buy limit, you have to specify the level at which you want that price to get to. When market price gets to that level, then it triggers that trade, right? So this is the signal says we should open a buy limit at the price 60 66 300, right? 66 300, and stop loss is set to be 65 900, right? 65 900. Then take profit here is 6700, 6700, 67, yeah, 67000, right? Yeah, that's it. So we'll now place a buy limit at that price level, right? And then next is for us to open a sell limit, and the signal says we should open a sell limit. This time around is sell limit, not a buy limit now. Sell limit, right? We're selecting sell limit this time around, and I will specify the lot size. This time around is going to be, let's say 0, right? That's 0.10. That's the lot size for this sell limit. And then we specify the price at which, the price level at which the sell limit trade will be triggered, right? So this time around 67 850, right? At that level, the sell limit trade will be triggered, right? And then the stop loss is 68 100, 68 100, right? And yeah, 68 100, and take profit is 6700, right? 67000, right? 67,000, yeah, that's what the signal says. So we'll place that trade also, and there we have our sell limit also placed. So both buy limit trade and the sell limit trade are pending orders. They are not instant executions. They are there that when prices get to that level to trigger and it to start running. Okay, so that's that. So next on our list is to adjust stop loss on an already running trade. Now we have we have a trade running here which is in profit. Now, the essence of adjusting your stop loss is for you to make sure that you do not lose money. In a worst case scenario, you will break even, right? So you click on that, you come to modify. So we are now going to adjust our stop loss. And we enter this trade at what price level? We enter the trade at 67,349, right? 67,349. So we are going to make this stop loss. We have the stop loss at the level 67,350, right? 67,350. So we are adjusting that stop loss, right? Yes, we adjust it to 67,650. Is it 67? 67,350? Yes, 67,350, right? So we're adjusting that to 67,350, right? That's it, 67,350. Yes. So that's what we have stop loss adjusted to. So this means that in case the price decides to move against our direction, right, it will not result to loss. A worst case scenario, it's going to break even, right? That's the essence of having your stop loss, so that you don't end up blowing your account, because sometimes you have your strategy for a trade intact, but then the market decides to play a funny one on you. So you have your stop loss as a way of managing risk, right? Such that you don't end up blowing your account. Thank you. So I do hope that you learn the five basic things that we prepare this video for. We hope to bring more videos on you having to understand lot sizes, because that's also a very key point in the area of risk management in trading. Thank you so much. Yeah.